Very good morning, students. Previous class we have studied self practice 10B. Now we have to go for our next self practice, that is 10C. It is based on properties of inequality, means triangle inequality property. So what is it in this? In triangle inequality, it is the sum of two sides any of triangle is greater than third side. Okay. So I have written here, just to take here, AB is 7 C centimeter, BC is A centimeter, and AC is B centimeter. So these are the length of the sides are given. So if we will add A plus B, means we will add this both side, then it will be greater than third side. So A plus B is greater than C, B plus C is greater than A, C plus A is greater than B. So this is called triangle inequality property of triangle. Okay. So I have written here in language, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay. Now we will use this property in our next self practice, that is 10C. So just you see here, determine whether triangle can have side with the given length. Explain. So three sides are given here, 4, 6 and 8. If we will add like this, sum of two sides, just you add here. So 6 plus 4, it will be 10. 4 plus 6 is greater than 8. It means 10 is greater than 8. So answer will be yes. Okay. Either you can take any one. So I have taken the smallest value. That's why. So this value are possible for triangle. Okay. So like that we have to check in this part also. So if we will add here, so 7 plus 5 it will come 12. 5 plus 7.5 it will come how much? It will not greater than, if we will add it will come 12.5. But it is less than 14. So triangle is not possible. If we will construct by using this value, in this much centimeter, this much centimeter, or this much centimeter, sure triangle will not complete. It will be open triangle, it will be not complete triangle. Okay. So answer will be no here. Okay. Because by this data, you will not able to construct a triangle, any triangle. Next one, I have left C part. Now D part, just you check here. 9, 14 and 13 is given. Just you add to a smallest side. So 9 plus 13 is how much? So it will come 12, means 22. 22 is greater than 40. It means it can be possible. Okay. So answer will be yes. Like that you have to check. Next one, D, E part and F part I have written. G part. So just you see here 3x and 2x plus 1 and x square is given. And then x value is also given. So just you put here value of x, it will come 3 into 5. And here 2 into 5 plus 1 and here 5 square. So 3 into 5 15 and here 10 plus 1 11 and here 5 square is 25. So it means this value is given. Now just you add this value smaller, it will be 26. So we will add 15 plus 11. So how much it will come? 15 plus 11 it will come 26. It means greater than 25. So answer is yes. Okay. This is the final answer. Now next one in the 2 part, question number 2, where we have to prove that this equal greater than 11 centimeter. So here PQR, one triangle is given and sides of triangle is given. PQ is 5 centimeter, QR is 7 centimeter, and PR is 10 centimeter. Now we have to prove this value AP plus AQ plus AR is greater than 11. So how it will be possible? For that, what we'll do, first of all, here just you add this one and this one. Use here triangle inequality. In triangle PAQ, in triangle PAQ, we will use here triangle inequality. So it will come AP plus AQ is greater than PQ. PQ means 5. Okay. So first equation, this one. Like that you have to use in this triangle also. In triangle PAR, AP plus AR is greater than 10 centimeter. Okay, so it will be equation 2. Next one, here in triangle QAR, in triangle QAR. So what we'll do here again, in triangle QAR. Again, we will use a triangle inequality in triangle QAR. So AQ plus AR is greater than 7. Equation number 3. Just you add all three equations. So just you add equation 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it will come AP plus AQ plus AP plus AR plus AQ plus AR. Okay. So this one is the LHS part, and RHS we will add. So inequality will be not change. So just you put here greater than 5 plus 10 plus 7. 5 plus 10 plus 7. So how much it will come? It will come 22. Okay. And these are will come 2 times. AP plus AP, 2AP, AQ plus AQ, 2AQ. So 2AP plus 2AQ plus 2AR is greater than 22. Okay. Now just you take these 2 common for each. So here 2 is there. So we will take outside and put here bracket and put here multiplication. So AP plus AQ plus AR is greater than 22. Now we will divide here 2. Here multiply sign is there. So like equation, how we are solving the equation. So just we transpose this 2 in that side. So it will come AP plus AQ plus AR is greater than 22 divided by 2. So we will cancel out, it will come 11. So we have to prove this one only. Now we have got. So AP plus AQ plus AR is greater than 11. Is greater than 11. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. This is the final answer. We have to prove this one only. So this is the final answer. Like that you have to solve. If proving question will come like this. Okay. So this we have to use a triangle inequality. So that's all for this exercise. Now we will start next exercise with the next video. Okay, that's all.